Hello everyone, this is Satish Kumar. So I'm here with another lesson of current affairs. So in this lesson we are going to learn about the National Capital Territory of Delhi Amendment Bill, which the center is planning to introduce. Okay. So recently the Ministry of Home Affairs is planning to release this legislation, which is trying to amend the 1999 Act, which pertain to the powers and functions of the Delhi government. Okay. Um, what this bill does is it proposes to clearly spell out the functions of the Council of Ministers, that is the Delhi Council of Ministers led by the Chief Minister and the Lieutenant Governor, by giving more discretionary powers to the Lieutenant Governor. Okay, that is what this the bill that is planned is to give. Okay, now if the bill is passed or then the Lieutenant Governor could act in his description in matters that is beyond the purview of the powers of the Legislative Assembly of Delhi, in matters related to the all India services, anti-corruption branch, like that. Okay, it will give the validity of any decision taken as a discretion by the governor, and it will not be questioned. Okay, we will try to understand why this bill came, what is the main purpose of this bill. Okay, see, first we have to understand the Delhi was a union territory before 1991 under the Article 239. Okay, the Article 239 deals with union territory. In 1991, by the 69th Amendment Act, Delhi was made into, even though it was still continued as a union territory, generally the union territory, no, they won't have legislative assemblies. In fact, the union territories are directly administered by the central government by appointing lieutenant governors. But the Delhi got a legislative assembly by the 69th Amendment Act. Okay, and by the 69th Amendment Act, Article 239 AA was inserted into the constitution. By this, for Delhi, a legislative assembly was created. The legislative assembly will have representatives of people who are elected, and they will be responsible for the administration of the state. Okay. See, but at the same time, what this act did was it gave the power to make laws. Okay, for the legislative assembly in all matters except three were left out, that is public order, police and land. So these three will not under the lawmaking power of Legislative Assembly of Delhi. So as a result, these three are directly administered by center under with the lieutenant governor. Okay, we all know that Delhi is ruled by the Aam Aadmi Party led by Arvind Kejriwal, and we have the center BJP power, and both the BJP and center, no, they are having politically they are opposite. Okay, they are fighting against each other, and this political fight is seen in the affairs of between the chief minister, that is Arvind Kejriwal, and lieutenant governor, who is Anil Baijal. Okay, and they are both having some problem. Okay, in fact, when some decision that is taken by lieutenant governor, no, on his discretion are questioned by the representatives, that is the legislatures of the Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal, our Council of Ministers and led by Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, questioned the actions of Lieutenant Governor. So this kind of problem was going for quite some time now. So there was a petition filed in the Supreme Court regarding the order of Lieutenant Governor, and as a result, the Supreme Court in 2018, no, a five judge bench gave a order, and it unanimously held that the Lieutenant Governor was bound by the aid and advice of the Delhi government, and both had to work harmoniously. Okay. Also, the Supreme Court said, see, it is very important, according to the Constitution, the Lieutenant Governor, no, by the 239 Article AA, no, the Lieutenant Governor has some special powers to intervene and overturn any decision that is taken by the Delhi government, that is the elected government of Delhi. Okay, he has such powers. See, generally in states, no, the governor don't have that much of power, but in case of Delhi, because certain areas are left out, that is public order, police and land are left out, no, so the Lieutenant Governor has certain discretionary powers. But so, but the Supreme Court said, even though it is in the Constitution like that, the Lieutenant Governor should exercise his right only in the rarest of rarest case. Otherwise, he should act in spirit with the democracy, that is, elected representatives should views should be there. It is like that, okay. So that there will be peace. What happened is, recently there was a riot in Delhi. For this, the elected government, that is Arvind Kejriwal government, appointed a panel of lawyers to represent it. But this panel of lawyers that the Delhi government appointed, no, was returned and overturned by the Lieutenant Governor, and this is how the clash happened. And now Arvind Kejriwal is saying that, quoting the same phrase of the Supreme Court, that the special powers to intervene and overturn any decision of the elected government of Delhi is there in Constitution for the governor, but the Supreme Court itself said that the governor should exercise this right only in the rarest of rarest case. So to avoid all this problem, no, and to make the Lieutenant Governor stronger against the elected government of Delhi, and to give more discretionary power to the Lieutenant Governor, so that his action is not questioned and his action is made legal, no, that is why this present law, that is the National Capital Territory Amendment Bill, is being planned by central government. Okay, I hope you understand what is here, and I think this very soon the bill will be tabled. Okay, thank you, bye.